Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to change your voice output device on Discord for PC, especially with the new update. If you've been having trouble hearing your friends or want to switch to your headset or speakers, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Discord app. Once you've launched Discord, you'll be greeted by your home screen. Next, look for the gear icon, located at the bottom left corner of the app. This is the User Settings button. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down on the left sidebar until you see the Voice and Video option. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the audio settings for your voice communications. In this section, locate the Output Device drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the audio output devices connected to your PC. This can include your headphones, speakers, or any other audio device. Lastly, choose the device you want to use for listening to Discord audio. Simply click on your preferred device, and it will be selected automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed your voice output device on Discord. Now, jump into your voice channels and enjoy crystal clear communication with your friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!